Mina sengiyambuza la ngithi manje yini isithembu ngesingisi? Yabona ngibisha amagama aqinile.
Hello, Mzansi, it's your gossip girl. Makhekhe linked up with Mphowabadimo. There is no sound to this video except for music. So this was one of Makhekhe's wishes before he went to the Big Brother's house. And Mpho answered. He was like, come, let's talk. So I remember, just after the finale when they announced Mac Jr. as the winner, Mphowabadimo, wrote on her Instagram story said that, Makhekhe, me and you are going to sit down and talk. So probably Mphowabadimo is going to, mentor Makhekhe into this new fame, So today, Mzansi, I'm so excited. Bravo B and Makhekhe episode will be dropping on podcast and Make G. Like, I really can't wait to laugh and just have a good day because I'm so sick at this point. But, for this too, I wouldn't miss it for anyone. So please go to podcast and Make G at 3 o'clock today. And you'll see Bravo B and Makhekhe. Yo, it's going to be a gang. Yo, I can't wait. Till let's see you again, Mzansi. Bye-bye.